Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Pad Air, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, open the control panel, and firstly you need to make your screen dimmer, because your screen consuming a lot of battery power. So if you want to improve your battery life, you need to reduce the screen brightness. Then disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't use any Bluetooth right now, disable it. Location services disable Oppo Share, Newbie Share, and other features, because these features are constantly searching for their networks, and in this way they are consuming battery power. The next step you can do is to enable power saving mode. In this mode your tablet will live longer. But if you want to improve your battery life to the max, you need to open settings, then scroll down, find battery here, scroll down again and choose here power saving mode, and choose super power saving mode. Click turn on, wait a while, and great, as you can see I have only 30% of my battery, and in this mode my smartphone, my tablet with 30% will live for about 14 hours. But in this mode you can use only 6 applications. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!